Now, Channel 3 early warning weather.
All right, July, of course, was the third wettest on record. Those records date back to 1905. So far, August 2021, 17 days in, has been quite dry. Only 0.8 of an inch so far for the Hartford area, just over 1/3 of an inch for Bridgeport. Compared to normal to date, nearly 1.7 inches behind average for the Hartford area, closing in on the 2-inch mark from Bridgeport. We do have some rain with a tropical connection to Fred on the way. More on that in just a moment, but right now we're basically dry across the state. A couple of sprinkles could clip extreme northwest Connecticut, but from Hartford we've got a partly cloudy sky, 72, a calm wind there in our capital, and our view from New London. We're looking skyward, of course, checking out the moon. Full this weekend on Sunday, the full sturgeon moon, currently 70 with a south wind at 3 miles an hour in New London. So temperatures in eastern Connecticut, upper 60s near 70, 70 to 75 along the 91 corridor. The warm spot on the map, New Haven at 75. You've got 69 from Salisbury, Torrington, also into Waterbury. Temperatures are not going to be dropping much at all through the overnight hours as the atmosphere is becoming much muggier. We've got an influx of moisture with a developing southerly flow. There you can see those showers, some sprinkles clipping northwest Connecticut. And overnight, there's a chance for a brief passing shower, but most of the time it will be dry. As we expand the view and look southwestward, and about 395 miles to the southwest of Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, is where we find the center of what was once Tropical Storm Fred. So this remnant moisture heads up in our direction and eventually could bring tropical downpours to parts of southern New England tomorrow night into the day on Thursday. So here's a check of tomorrow morning. A lot of cloud cover, a day similar to today where we could see some breaks from time to time, primarily dry, perhaps an isolated passing shower at a point tomorrow, but again, primarily dry. Notice the bulk of the rain, 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, still to the west of Connecticut. You can actually pick up on the counterclockwise spin there of that remnant moisture heading up toward the Albany area as we head toward and after daybreak on Thursday, of course, bringing rain to parts of Connecticut just in time for the Thursday morning commute. Then by Thursday evening, conditions will start to improve as we head towards sunset. So our models have been a little, they've been in pretty good consistency, I should say, with regard to showing the axis of heavy rain likely to the west and northwest of Connecticut. Here within our border, say along the northwest of 84, we could see an inch, maybe 2 of rain that could lead to some poor drainage flooding concerns, but 2 to 4 inches with locally higher amounts likely just to the west and northwest of Connecticut. So high temperatures for our afternoon tomorrow, for our Wednesday, upper 70s and low 80s inland, very similar to what we experienced today, upper 70s to near 80 along the 95 corridor. So in addition to the remnants of Fred, we're tracking Henri, also Grace. Start you off with Grace first and foremost, moving away from Jamaica. This could make 2 Mexico landfalls, one over the Yucatan late Wednesday night into Thursday morning, perhaps as a Category 1 hurricane, then as well over the upcoming weekend as it moves across the southern Gulf of Mexico. And then we're also tracking Henri. The center of the storm south of Bermuda right now is a tropical storm, sustained winds at 65. Notice how it moves west, curves to the north, and then curves to the northeast. So as we head Saturday into Sunday of this upcoming weekend, could be offshore from southern New England as a Category 1 hurricane. Right now, some of our models do bring it a little bit closer to, say, Nantucket, something we're going to be watching very closely, of course. But regardless, for Atlantic-facing coastline, this could bring some large swells and rough seas Saturday into Sunday. Meanwhile, once we get past Thursday here in Connecticut, Friday will end the week partly sunny, dry, humid, highs near 90 inland. Then still humid with a chance for an isolated storm Saturday afternoon, going a little bit less humid for Sunday and dry, 80 to 85, and then back into the mid and upper 80s, perhaps near 90 inland by next Tuesday with some afternoon storm chances. Shoreline highs this weekend, 84 for Saturday, 80 on Sunday.
Okay, Mark, thank you. Hundreds